Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51 and let me show you how to activate airplane mode on the following device. So actually you have two methods to activate flight mode. The first one is through the upper bar, so smoothly slide down the upper bar and then click on the flight mode icon, then activate it, and that's it. As you can see, all the network connections are turned off and you can use your device with no internet access. Here you've got the sign, the plane sign, which means that you are currently in flight mode, and then whenever you would like to deactivate it, smoothly slide down the upper bar one more time and tap on the same switcher, and now it's off. Then you can also activate flight mode through the settings, so at first you have to open list of all applications, find and pick the settings, go to the connections, and smoothly by tapping on flight mode you can activate the mode in which you have no connections included. As you can see, they are locked right now, and if you will switch it off, you will still be able to call, send a message or use mobile data. And that would be all. So you can activate and use airplane mode in your Samsung Galaxy A51. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.